Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes black desktop background in Windows 11 easy fix that actually works. First method is restart Windows Explorer. Second method is change accessibility options. Third method is delete themes file. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.